Hello and welcome back to It's a Teacher Thing from Tales of a Sixth Grade Teacher. That's me, Michelle Higdon, Technology Tutorial Tips. I should call that the triple T. The triple T threat. That was pretty lame. Today I'm going to be showing you the device, the tool that makes all these videos possible. And that, my friends, is called Screencastify. It is a screen recorder, and it can also, it's very simple to use, very easy. It also has you can do like your webcam like inset over in the corner, so you see my beautiful face. Ah! Every time you watch one of my videos, I know that part's the part you want to turn off. But we're going to make this one short-ish, you know how I do short and quick. I'm actually using a different screen recorder to record about Screencastify. This recorder that I'm using is called Screencast-O-Matic. I'm more of a fan of Screencastify just because I'm more familiar with it, but this is another tool that I will also link on the resource page just in case. So the way to get Screencastify is to go to the Chrome web store. You can just type it into Google. You can also type in chrome.google.com. That'll probably get you there as well. I like to just put it in Google. Google for the win. But you're going to search the store by putting in Screencastify. It's going to be the first one that comes up. I don't know what edit this cookie is. I don't know what any of these others are. So unless it says Screencastify, just don't click on it. That's common sense. If you don't know what it is, don't click on it. Don't go wandering off into the internet. Bad things happen when you wander off into the internet. Don't you watch movies? But anyway, you're going to click on Screencastify. I already have it. So mine says remove from Chrome. Yours is going to say probably add to Chrome. Okay, you can go down, you can look at an overview, you can read reviews, you can see things that are related, but all we really need to do is click add to Chrome. Obviously, I'm not going to click remove from Chrome because that's unnecessary. Once you click add to Chrome and you allow and all that stuff, it's going to pop up in your little extensions bar right here. You'll notice all of your extensions that you add to your Google Chrome, they all show up here to the right of the address bar. So like I have EasyBib, Pinterest, Bitmoji. This one just popped up the other day, Read and Write. I'm not really sure what that is, but the one we're focused on right now is the Screencastify button. And it is a little red arrow facing right with a little camera in it. It's hard to see. You can see it better over here, but that's what it's going to look like. Now, there are two versions of Screencastify. One is free. Everybody loves free, but it will only allow you to record up to 5 minutes. The other one is unlimited, and it costs right now. If you're using it for school, you can get a free unlimited for a certain number of days using the code CAST_COVID, thanks to the coronavirus. But I believe that even once it's not free, I'm definitely going to update and use it the unlimited because I like being able to record longer videos. So let's say you're ready to start recording your video. You're just going to click up here on the Screencastify icon, and it's going to pop up like this. And this is where you can go to look at your settings, any notifications, your recordings. I'll show you that in a minute. But there are three options that we want to look at right here. Webcam only. That's just going to record straight from your webcam to you. So that's just like you recording yourself in a video recorder. Your desktop is what I use for all my videos. So it shows your whole desktop screen, all your tabs, all your websites, and has you down in the corner. And then browser tab only records the browser that's up, the screen that's up. So I use that if I want to record like a Google Slides presentation, and all I want to be in the video is the Google Slides. You want to make sure your microphone is enabled. You could probably see over here as I'm talking, it's having like a little green bar that shows that it's working, it's picking me up. And then your webcam, you want to make sure you pick your webcam. And then you just hit record. And I don't know if it'll work because I'm already recording with something else, but let's try. So yeah, so it's not going to start, but that's okay. So it would start recording. All right, thanks. Failed to start. Anyway, it would start recording, and then when it was done, it would show up in your My Recordings, and it would just kind of play it back for you, and then it would start to load it to Google Drive. That is the great thing about it, is it loads it directly to Google Drive. And then you can find it in your Google Drive. Screencastify Unlimited also allows you to edit, which is great. Ooh, that didn't stop at 5 minutes. So that's a really good tool. I've been able to, because sometimes I say things that are a little dumb in my videos. I know you're shocked. But I'm like, oh, I don't want to keep that part, but the other 6 minutes of that video were really good. So you can snip out the one part you don't want to use. And then, like I said, it automatically uploads it into a Screencastify folder in your Google Drive. So you can see if I go to my Google Drive, I scroll down to Screencastify, all of my Screencastify videos are right there. It is a great tool, super user friendly. It's really just click and go, honestly. But it's great, especially in these digital closure times. So I really like it. I really encourage you to check it out. And as always, if you have any questions about it, if you want to know more, hit me up, send me an email, hit me up on Instagram, Tales of a Sixth Grade Teacher _ in between each word, or send me an email through my blog. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you do with Screencastify.